Today, my topic is velocity and acceleration in plane polar coordinates. This is very important topics I discuss from very elaborately. So requested to watch the video properly and like, share and subscribe. Thank you all my dear students. Please watch the video. So let a particle is moving in a circular path or radius A. So a particle is moving in a circular path A. A particle is moving in a circular path of radius A. The position vector of the particle and any time t can be written as, that is r equal to, we write that r equal to a cos omega t. So let a particle is moving in a circular path of radius A. A particle is moving a circular path, that is radius A. Position vector of the particle at any time t can be written as, so r equal to, we can write a cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. This is the position vector. So we have to differentiate. With respect to t, we get, that is dr dt equal to a sin theta I cap plus cos theta j cap, that is d theta dt. So dr theta equal to, we can write the r dot d theta dt, that is theta dot. So we have written. Next, we know that is, this is the value of theta cap. So putting the value of theta cap, so r dot equal to a, so theta dot theta cap. So we can write, so r vector dot equal to a theta dot theta cap. And next we differentiating respect to t in this equation. So we get, this is the value, and putting the value in this equation, so we get that is r double dot equal to minus theta dot square r vector. So minus theta dot square r vector plus a theta double dot square theta cap. So this is the r double dot, that is acceleration of the particle. So r double dot means the acceleration of the particle. So a particle is moving in a circular path with uniform velocity is accelerated. Next, theta dot square r vector. So magnitude, that is omega square r. So theta dot means that is omega. So omega square r. So a force of magnitude m omega square r required to keep it in a circular motion is called centripetal force. So centripetal force is a force which is helpful for rotate a particle in a circular path. So this is the function of centripetal force. So Fc equal to m theta square r. So m omega square r, this is the value of centripetal force. And next we know, that is from the concept of vector, that is r vector equal to r into r cap. This is the magnitude. R cap is the unit vector along the r vector. So differentiating with respect to t in this equation, we get, this is the value. And again we differentiating in this equation number 1, we get, this is the value. So r double dot equal to, we get, that is r vector double dot equal to r double dot minus r theta dot square r cap plus 2 r dot theta dot plus r theta double dot bracket, that is theta cap. So equation, this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 that represent, that is velocity and acceleration. This is the velocity of particle and this is the acceleration of the particles. I think each and every student practice again and again in their notebook to get higher marks. If they practice again and again in the notebook, then this equation is very much helpful to all of the students. If they do not practice, then this equation is highly tough. I think all students practice again and again at their notebook. And cos theta I cap plus sin theta j cap. So r cap dot, this is the value. So putting, and theta cap, we know this is the minus sin theta I cap plus cos theta j cap. So theta cap dot, this is the value. So putting this value, that is r cap dot and theta cap dot, in this equation, we have solved the equation. Thank you all my dear students. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all my dear students and dear friends.